children, welcome you in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you about mushroom and its cultivation. Children, mushroom is a kind of fungus. There are various types of mushrooms. Some mushrooms are rich source of protein, vitamins and minerals, and these mushrooms are edible. Some mushrooms are poisonous and they are non-edibles. Mushrooms are of various shape and size. Many have cap and stalk. There are a large number of mushroom species which grow wild in nature. See, children, these are the cultivated button mushroom, and there is morel mushroom. So, this cultivated mushroom, it is cultivated because it is rich source of the protein, vitamins and minerals. And there are some other mushrooms. These are the two more varieties of the mushrooms I have shown. And these mushrooms are morel and puffball mushrooms. So mushrooms are edible, and in that white button mushroom is Agaricus bisporus, and this Agaricus bisporus is edible mushroom, and other is Paddy-Stra mushroom. Paddy-Stra mushroom is Wolveriella. Oyster mushroom is Pleurotus. Mushrooms cultivation is done indoor, and for the cultivation it needs little land. Mushrooms can be grown on substrate or compost waste on various agricultural waste. So we can use for growing the mushroom agricultural waste. White button mushroom Agaricus bisporus is the most variety of the popular variety of the mushroom. So this is the white button mushroom. This one is white button mushroom, and this mushroom is most popular variety of mushroom in India. How we can grow the mushroom? There are 5 major steps for the cultivation of the mushroom. The different steps of the cultivation of mushrooms are, these are, first one is composting. First step is composting. Second step is spawning. Third is casing. Fourth is cropping and harvesting. And last step is preservation. So there are 5 major steps of cultivation of mushroom. In composting, the compost is prepared. So how we can prepare the compost? In a certain proportion, wheat or paddy straw, chicken manure, some organic and inorganic fertilizer are mixed, and after mixing it is kept at about 50 degrees centigrade temperature for 1 week. Next is spawning. Spawning is mushroom seed. Seed of the mushroom consists of mycelium and seed of the mushroom, that is the consist of mycelium, it is selected and it is introduced into the compost. So introducing mushroom seed into the compost is called spawning and allowed to spread for a couple of days. Next is casing. So in the casing, a thin layer of soil is spread over the compost. Means after spawning, means after introducing the seed of the mushroom into the compost, a thin layer of soil is spread over it. This it is very important because it gives support to the mushroom, it provides humidity, it prevents quick drying of the compost, and it helps to regulate temperature. Now the seed of the mushroom, from the seed of the mushroom will grow. So next step is cropping and harvesting. The growth occurs in 3 principal stages. From the mushroom seed, growth will occur in 3 principal stages. In the first stage, mycelium, that is the network of fibers or hyphae, grows within 2 to 6 weeks. After that, after the growth of the mycelium, tiny pinhead will develop. The next stage is button stage, which grows bigger and it becomes little larger in size. Next, the full grown mushrooms are taken out. Children, mushrooms are highly perishable. Their cell life is increased by a variety of processes. So these processes are coming in the preservation. So in that, first step is vacuum cooling. Second is giving gamma radiations and storing at 15 degrees centigrade temperature. Last step is freeze drying in a solution of citric acid, ascorbic acid and brine. So children, I told the major 5 steps of growing mushroom in India. In that, first step is composting, second step is spawning, third step is casing, fourth is cropping and harvesting, and fifth is preservation. In the composting, compost is prepared. In spawning, mushroom seed. Children, you have to understand here, there is no seed of the mushroom, but that is the mycelium. So mushroom seed consists of mycelium, and mycelium is the network of hyphae. So that is introduced into the compost, that is called spawning. And next one is casing. In the casing, a thin layer of soil is spread after introducing the mushroom seed in compost. Then mushrooms will grow. In the first step, mycelium grows, then tiny pinhead will grow, then button stage is coming and it becomes bigger in size. Then now full grown mushroom are taken out, and these full grown mushrooms are preserved because mushrooms are highly perishable. Therefore, it is preserved, and for the preservation, first is the vacuum cooling, then now there is gamma radiation, and after that there is freeze drying in a solution of citric acid or ascorbic acid. Now, children, you have to know the nutritive value of mushroom. So, mushrooms are excellent source of vitamins and minerals. They contain good amount of biotin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. The vitamins in mushroom is in good amount. There are near about 3% protein, 4% carbohydrate, 0.204% fat, and 1% mineral and vitamin. So this I told what are the mushrooms, how they are grown, and what is their nutritive value.